It was a busy morning in the city. John, a young man, was getting ready for his day. He woke up early, but he was still a little sleepy. His brother Mike was already in the kitchen. Mike was making breakfast with a big smile. "Do you want some bread and butter?" he asked. "Yes, please," said John, sitting down at the table. He was very hungry. Mike put some brown bread on the table with a little bit of butter on it. "I will also bring you a cup of coffee," he added. John ate quickly because he had to catch the bus. He was going to a business meeting today, and it was very important. After breakfast, John ran to his room to change. He picked up his wallet and car keys. Then he looked at his phone and saw a call from his girlfriend. He decided to call her before he left. "Hi, how are you?" he asked. "I'm just about to leave for work," she said. "I miss you," John said. "I miss you too. I'll see you tonight," she replied. John smiled and said bye. He quickly grabbed his bag and went out. He took the bus to the city center. On the way, he saw a big building under construction. Workers were busy building it, and it looked like a very tall and modern building. John imagined that one day this building would be a place for many business offices. When John arrived in the city, he walked to his office. His office was in a small cafe near the capital of the city. He liked this cafe because they always had fresh cake and good coffee. Today he was going to meet with some business partners. At the office, John sat down at his desk and took out his camera. He wanted to take some pictures of the new building for his company's website. He had to buy new cards for the website, so he was busy organizing everything. His business meeting was starting soon, so he needed to be ready. The capital of the city was very busy with people walking everywhere. It was a place where many people worked, went to school, or enjoyed their free time. John knew that he had to work hard because his business was growing fast. But there was one thing John couldn't forget: his brother Mike. Mike had asked him to bring some bread and butter for him later. John smiled and thought, "I'll buy some at the cafe on the way home." It was a long day, but John was happy. He was busy, but everything was going well. And when he finally finished his meeting, he could relax and enjoy a good dinner with his brother and maybe a slice of cake from the cafe. So John's day was full of work, but also full of love and family. He could not wait to see his girlfriend tonight and spend some time with her. He was happy that he had a busy and successful day, and he knew that tomorrow would be another great day.